Asana versus Monday, which one should you use? If you're looking for the best project management tool, you've probably come across these two. But which one actually fits your needs? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll not only know their key differences, but also the biggest deal breakers that most reviews don't mention. And if neither feels right, I'll share a better alternative that solves the problems both of these tools struggle with. First, let's talk about usability. Monday's interface is colorful and feels more modern, which makes it easier for teams who prefer a more visual approach. Asana, on the other hand, leans more towards structured task management with a cleaner, less cluttered layout. If you like Kanban boards, both have them, but Monday makes them the default, while Asana gives you multiple views, like lists, timelines, and calendars, depending on what works best for you. Next, automation and integrations. Monday is built with automation in mind. It allows you to create custom workflows with minimal effort, so repetitive tasks can be handled automatically. Asana also has automation, but it's more restrictive unless you're on a higher tier plan. In terms of integrations, both connect with major apps like Slack, Google Drive, and Zoom, but Monday has slightly deeper native integrations with CRM and sales tools, making it a better fit for teams that need both project management and sales tracking. Collaboration is another key factor. Monday feels more interactive, with real-time updates and comments that make teamwork smoother. Asana is strong here too, but its notifications and comment threads can sometimes feel overwhelming if you're managing multiple projects. One annoying issue with both platforms? If you're on a free plan, your team will run into limitations pretty quickly. Monday limits automation, and Asana caps the number of users and advanced features. Pricing is where things get tricky. Monday's pricing starts lower, but features get expensive fast if you need automation or integrations. Asana, on the other hand, keeps core project management features available at a reasonable price, but locks advanced automation and reporting behind higher tiers. If you're a solo user or a small team, Monday's free plan might seem appealing, but once you scale, Asana often becomes the more cost-effective choice. So which one should you use? Monday is great if your team relies heavily on automation, visual workflows, and CRM integration. Asana is better if you need a structured, easy-to-use task management system with strong collaboration tools. But after testing all of them, I found that they both fall short in key areas like flexibility, ease of use, and pricing. If you're serious about getting the best project management tool, check out the first link in the description. It offers a free trial with exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else.